Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you guys? I'm sure you are in healthy condition. First of all, let us praise and thank the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for the abundance of grace and the joy of all of us can still gather in this place without any barrier at all and in good health condition. Not forgetting the salawat and greetings we pour out to the Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has brought us out of the dark age to the era of bright light today, namely Islam, to his family, his friends, the tabi'in, tabi'ut, and us as his people. May we all get intercessions on the end, amin. I would like to say thank you to Miss Dr. Randa Elia Marliana, Master of Management, and as well as my friends who are watching our video presentation. It's great to see you all. Before we start, have you guys know us already? There is a saying that if you don't know a person, how can you love the person? Therefore, I would like to introduce ourselves first. We are from Group 5, Class 3B, consisting of me first. My name is Hani Yusliani with student ID number 2150 667. As the moderator will guide the discussion and presentation today as well as the final speaker. Next, Ina Febrianti with student ID number 2150 646 and as the first speaker. Then Shifa Nur Fauzia with student ID number 2150 663 as the second speaker, and the last Pia Puspitasari with student ID number 2150 667 as the third speaker. In this presentation, we will discuss about the solar system. Okay, immediately we revert to the first discussion that will be explained by Ina. To Ina, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Ina Febrianti. I'm from class 3B and NPM 215060046. And here I want to explain this theory of the formation of the solar system. The solar system is an orderly system of organization on the sun. The sun, as the parent center of circulation, is surrounded by other celestial bodies, namely planets, satellites, asteroids, comets, and meteors. The following is a description of each object in the solar system in this universe. The twin star theory says, Littleton's theory, also known as the twin star theory, suggests that the sun was originally a twin star orbiting a gravitational field. But there is a star that hits one of the twin stars and destroys it. The startled star that changes into a rotting mass of gas. Scientists keep turning, then the gas must turn, cooled, and formed the planet. Temporarily, one of the surviving stars become the center of the solar system as we know it as the sun, because of the assumption that the formation of the solar system is due to their conclusion. That's why this theory is also known as conclusion theory. Nebula theory says, in nebula theory, it is that originally the solar system is formed from a very white nebula or dense fog. This glowing nebula or gas mass returns slowly, which then gradually cools, shrink, and close the cervical. Nebula theory is known to ever first in the 18th century, which was initiated by the opinion of a German philosopher named Immanuel Kant. Kant's opinion about the solar system from this nebula was later applied by the Marquis de Laplace Pierre-Simon, who was French astronomer. The score theory say, The dust cloud theory reveals that the future solar system was originally a very large cloud. These clouds are composed of cosmic dust and gas which are thought to be shaped like a flag. This theory was created by Whipple and American astronomer Onion. In addition to Whipple, astronomer English named Fred Hoyle and Swedish astronomer named Hans Alfvén who expressed its theory similar to the cloud theory dust. They think that in the beginning, the sun rotates quickly with a dust of gas around. If referring to modern day research, the sun is said to rotate about once in second days. While recent calculations also show that the primitive sun rotates faster, so this is possible for the ejection of material that's different from the planet. Tidal theory says, or the theory is also sometimes called is a theory of completion ideas. This opinion was first coined by Sir James Jeans and Sir Hall Jeffreys of England in Jeans and Jeffreys thought that the birth of the solar system was a rare event, because this event occurs when the sun is almost staying off the sun. Even that caused the sun's tongue become shaped like a trigger. This is also explained logical about the size of the different planets from each other. Planetary theory says, first appeared around theory. This was first proposed by an astronomer named Forrest Ray Molde and a physicist named Caroline from University of Chicago. The planetary theory suggested when a star shapes quickly and is very close to the sun, the facing star seems to has such a great attraction that it goes dead in the hot gas section of the sun. Hence, there is a gas mass of the sun that is thrown on and begins to orbit the sun. For the first is that the sun is one of the many stars called a star because it can produce its own light energy in the Milky Way, which in the center of the solar system circulation. A core in the innermost parts of the sun. The temperature in this layer is estimated to reach 16 million Celsius. Photosphere layer of light in the surface of the sun, which is 3050 km thick. Chromosphere is this layer of gas above the photosphere, which is 16 km thick. The chromosphere is also known as the solar atmosphere. Corona in the atmosphere layer of the sun, and in outer called the outer solar atmosphere. The corona is also a very thin layer of gas.
Thank you, Ine, for the explanation. The second discussion will be discussed by Shiva. To Shiva, the time is yours.
Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself, my name is Shiva Nurfauzia, NPM 2150600063. And I want to asking about next materi. And materi 1, and benefit of the sun. 1. The sun is very important for the earth. Solar energy has kept the earth warm from life. Mother Earth, air and water circulate, and plants can photosynthesis. And 2. The sun is source of the earth energy. The energy contained in coal and oil to comes from the sun. And 3. Controlling the stability of the earth's circulation, which means to control the accuracy of the day and night and controlling the planet other. And 4. The sun can be used as alternative energy. Solar and cell and solar panels can generate electric energy. And next, planet. 1. Inner planet. Inner planets are celestial bodies that cannot emit light. Planets only reflect the light they receive from the star. The inner planet is also known as the planet that is located close of the sun and small in size, has little satellite, is nothing. Rastly, mostly composed as restotory minerals, such and satellites like make up the strat and mantle, and metals such as iron and nickel that make up the main things it. Beside, the inner planet also have quite an atmosphere great for things it. Beside, and whicher crater and future tectonic surface and like valley of the fissure and volcanoes, the inner planet consists of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And two, the outer planet are also known as the Jovian planet. Jovian planet are planets that are from the sun, are large, have many satellites, and most the composite of like material, such as hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. The inner planet and outer planet are surrounded by both asteroid. The outer planet consists of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and solar system planet. And one, Mercury. Mercury is close to the sun less. The planet Mercury has no satellite. Revolution period Mercury has 88 days. And two, Venus. Venus is the brightest planet after the sun and moon. Venus is known as the morning star of the evening star. Venus has 9 times the atmosphere denser than the Earth. Venus is the hottest planet. And 3, Earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system that has occupant. Unlike the other planets, most of the Earth's surface is covered by water. The move of the Earth around its axis atau rotation has caused the half of the Earth to be completely round. But the oval ellipse, Earth has a satellite named the Moon. The average distance between the Earth's atmosphere is very different compared to other planets because it influenced by the existence of living things. 4. Mars. The planet is a average distance. Planet color Mars is the red, which comes from the rich rust color is rich iron. The weather is clear at night because the layer of the atmosphere has 2 satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos, outer satellite. This planet has a thin atmosphere that contains mainly carbon dioxide. And 5. Jupiter. Planet Jupiter and 19 large in solar system called planet giant. And 6. Saturn. Saturn is decorated with beautiful rings and Miracle had the 9 satellites are Mimas and Enceladus, Tach, Dione, Rhea, Titan, Hyperon, Leptos, and Phoebe. The average distance between Saturn with the Sun. And 7. Uranus. Uranus is 4 times. Uranus' revolution 17 period is hours, while the period of revolution is ugly 4 years. And based on satellite observation, Uranus just looks like a blue circle, making it difficult to learn. Research then that this blue color is the Uranus atmosphere being dominated by methane gas. And 8. Neptune has 2 satellites, namely Triton and Nereid. Triton is the only large satellite with a retrograde orbit. Neptune is twin planet of Uranus. Orbit almost from a circle with Neptune to accompany several minor planets in their orbit called Neptune Trojans. And next, other object in the solar system. And next, other object in the solar system as follow. 1. Comet. Comet comes from the Greek namely kometer, meaning how long. Comet are celestial bodies that revolve around the sun in very elliptical orbit. This comet is composed of dust and rock particles that are mixed with ice, methane, and ammonia. The part of comet namely as follow. The comet circles in smaller, denser part of the comet composed of dust and gas. Composite of dust and gas, come which is area for around the car. Tail which is the longer part of the comet, direction the tail of come is always away from the sun, due from when a solar radiation. 2. Meteoroid. Meteoroid are pieces of rock or metal debris which contain iron and metal elements that move in space. Meteoroid revolve around the sun with a certain orbit and speed which varies, and when a meteoroid is attracted by Earth gravity than before its research Earth, meteoroid will rub against the Earth atmosphere. Friction, this will generate heat and burn the meteoroid. The meteoroid that are burn up Earth atmosphere are called meteor. If a meteoroid is not completed burning up by Earth atmosphere and falls to Earth is called meteoroid. 3. Asteroid. Asteroid, a piece of the rock that are similar to meter-planetary constitution. Most asteroids are located in the area between orbit and Mars, Jupiter, called the asteroid belt. Asteroids form together with the formation of the planet according to the arrangement. According, asteroids are thought to have originated from the start of the Saturn planet. The first asteroid, the study named Saturn. And 4. Satellite. Satellites are celestial bodies that circulate following their orbit around the planet and the sun. Satellite activity around the planet is commonly called the satellite revolution. This satellite is also circulating around its own axis, which is known as rotation. In general, the orbit of the satellite rotation and revolution the same, and the orbit the satellite rotation and revolution of planet. And from we as to us, except the satellite on the planet, namely the planet Neptune. Thank you.
Thank you, Shiva, for the explanation. Okay, the next discussion will be discussed by Pia. So, Pia, the time is yours.
Permission, let me introduce myself. My name is Pia Puspitasari, NPM 2150600075. Here I will continue the explain of the material from the previous presenter. 1. Sun. The sun is one of many stars called a star because it can produce its own light energy. In the Milky Way, which become the center of the solar system, the sun rotates on its axis is surrounded by planets, and each planet rotates one axis respectively. The sun is the largest celestial body in the solar system in the form of a ball of gas that is very hot and glowing with a diameter of 1.4 times 106 km. The gas ball consists of 70% hydrogen gas, 25% helium gas, and 5% are the elements as oxygen, carbon, neon, iron, nitrogen, silicon, magnesium, nickel, and sulfur. The sun is the center of the energy source in the solar system environment. The sun consists of a core and 3 layers of skin, namely the photosphere and chromosphere and corona. A. Core is the innermost part of the sun. The temperature is this layer is estimated at 16,000 degrees centigrade. On this layer, the fusion reaction takes place. Then the energy of this fusion reaction is emitted by radiation. B. Photosphere. It is the surface of the sun, which plus minus 350 km. This is a layer that emits a light too strong that also called the light layer. The temperature in the photosphere is estimated to be plus minus 6,000 degrees centigrade. C. Chromosphere is a layer of gas above the photosphere which plus minus 16,000 km. The cover is also known as the solar atmosphere. In the lower thin layer close to the photosphere, the temperature of the chromosphere estimated to be plus minus 4,000 degrees centigrade. The higher the temperature of the chromosphere, the higher the chromosphere can only be seen during a solar eclipse. At the moment, the chromosphere looks like a ring or ring clouded red. D. Corona is the outermost layer of the sun and is often called the outer atmosphere of the sun. Corona is also a very thin layer of gas. The gas looks like a crown brilliant white that surrounds the sun. Hence, the layer of the gas is called a corona, meaning crown. The sign of the corona is always because it is a thin layer of gas. The corona is B plus minus 2,500 km with temperature reaching 1,000 degrees centigrade. Corona can be observed at any time by using a corona telescope. Next, benefits of the sun. A. The sun is very important for the earth. Solar energy has kept the earth warm of life, made earth the air and water circulate and plant can photosynthesize. B. The sun is source of the energy. The energy contained in coal and oil too comes from the sun. C. Controlling the stability of the earth's circulation with means to control the currents of the day and night and controlling the planet order. D. The sun can be used as alternative energy. Solar cells, solar panels can generate electrical energy. Thanks all the material in company. Thank you.
Thank you, Pia, for the explanation. Wow, we know more about everything in the solar system, yes? Okay, the final discussion will be discussed by me. I would like to discuss about natural phenomena that occurs in the solar system. First, namely eclipse. An eclipse occurs when the position of the moon and earth blocks the light sun so that the earth or the moon doesn't get sunlight. Eclipses are also the result of the movement of the moon. There are two types of eclipse, i.e. solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. First, solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when moon's shadow moves to cover Earth's surface, where is the position that moon is between the sun and earth, and all three lies in the line. A solar eclipse occurs at the time of the new moon. Due to the smaller size of the moon compared to the earth or the sun, there are three possibilities for the eclipse, which are as follows. A total solar eclipse occurs in areas that are in the shadow of the core umbra, so that sunlight is not visible at all. A total solar eclipse lasts only about 6 minutes. An annular solar eclipse occurs in an affected area so that the sun looks like a ring. 3. Partial solar eclipse occurs in area that lies between the umbra and penumbra, blurred image, so that the sun is partially visible. Lalu B. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the moon enters the shadow of Earth. A lunar eclipse only can happen on the full moon. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth is between the Sun and the moon. At the time, all parts of the moon are included in the Earth's umbra region, so a total lunar eclipse occurs. Total lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse occurs when the entire umbra shadow of the Earth fell over to the moon, so the Sun, Earth, and moon are exactly on the same line. Partial lunar eclipse. A partial lunar eclipse is also known as a lunar eclipse partial. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth is not completely blocking the moon from the Sun. Part of the surface of the moon is in a penumbra, so it is still some of the sunlight reaches the surface of the moon. 3. Penumbral lunar eclipse. A penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the entire moon is in the penumbra, so that the moon can still be seen with dark colors. The second is iron rain. Called violet stars, planets. This brown dwarf is a planet that was recently discovered in our solar system. The brown color indicates that this planet has the element ferrum iron high. This planet has storm like the one on Jupiter and throws iron into its surface. This brown dwarf is getting colder and colder from time to time. The third is close encounter, biggest hurricane collision. Two spherical spots on the planet Jupiter beside a moderate storm rage on the planet. From we can only know the size of the storm. The big one is called the Great Red Spot, a storm that more than double that white Earth with their 150 mph or 563 kph winds and a small hurricane at 900 gr. Although not fully understood, science think the colors red correlates with the intensity of past storm releases chemical compounds formed under the clouds and lifts them to a high place, plus on ultraviolet light, so that produce a bright hue. The next is black hole. At first, people thought a black hole is since 50 only. However, along with the times with the launch of the space telescope, namely Hubble Space Telescope, now people believe that monsters are out there. A black hole itself is defined as a large enough concentration of mass that produce a very large gravitational force. The gravitational force in this enormous size prevents anything from escaping from its escape through quantum tunnel behavior. Nothing, including electromagnetic radiation, can escape its gravity. Even light can only enter, but cannot leave or pass through. This is where the word black comes from. The term black hole has spread widely, though it doesn't point to a deep hole with ordinary meaning, but is a region in the sky where all can go back. Theoretically, a black hole can have a size of anything from the microscopy to the size of the universe, then that can be observed. The last is solar storm. The solar storm is a cycle of the routine of the center of the solar system, Milky Way galaxy, a solar system happening when the sun comes out electromagnetic waves outside the orbit characterized by explosive activity. According to lecturer astronomy Bandung Institute of Technology Dani Herdiwijaya, the explanation of the sun can be seen from Earth through hints of spot sun on the surface of sun. The dot represents the suns of the sun in smoldering due to the explosion. A short circuit in the center of the solar system is certainly different from just a short circuit of the light. The energy emitted in enormous. This energy is in the form of waves following through the fourth planet. Start with one close to the sun, namely Mercury, then to Venus, and the Earth to the end energy. Along the way, this wave is followed by ejection, coronal mass (e.a. mass ejection) for the sun's corona, especially protons at high speed, because it contains proton at high speed who can damage with through it, including communication satellite to global satellite positioning system or GPS. Alright friends, that's enough for the presentation from our group about the solar system. Finally, I will tell you about the conclusion of our presentation today. The conclusion is, first, the solar system is a collection of celestial bodies, namely stars, and is usually named after the sun and the object that revolve around its sun. The solar system was formed by several theories, including namely twin star theory, nebula theory, the skull theory, side theory, and planetesimal theory. The second, the solar system consists of the one star, sun, as the center, surrounded by the planets and other celestial bodies. This planet revolve around the sun with the elliptical path. The planets in the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Third, apart from the sun and planets, there are other celestial bodies such as satellites, comets, asteroids, meteor, and meteorites. The sun is from a single star in the Milky Way galaxy is composed of a star layer of sun, photosphere, chromosphere, and corona. Fourth, the Earth performed three motion, e.a. rotation about its axis, revolution around the sun, and with other members of the solar system moving in the Milky Way galaxy magic. In the solar system, there are various natural phenomena among them: lunar eclipses, solar eclipses, around rain, conscious, the biggest storms, black holes, and solar storm. Okay friends, thank you for your listening. May all those we have start be benefit for all of us. Amin. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.